The bench press is one of the ways to increase upper body strength and power and will lead to improved athletic results in almost every sport. The main muscles used in this are the pec majors, pec minors, and triceps, with almost every muscle in your upper body being recruited. In this video, we will show you how to set up for the bench press and some tips and techniques while doing it that will certainly lead to increased strength numbers on the bench, which will then translate into better athletic performance. All right, so the first thing we're gonna have you do is lay down on the bench. And so whenever we're benching, we wanna bring our eyes back underneath the bar. And the first thing you wanna do is make sure we have 5 points of contact at all times. So let's make sure we have both feet on the ground. We've got our butt on the ground and both shoulder blades on the ground. Once those are all on the bench, that's our 5 points of contact. So hand placement will want to be somewhere in between this first, where the rough meets the smooth, and this first line. So the further out you're going to grab, the more chest or the more pecs we're going to work, and the further in we grab will be the more triceps that we work. So it's kind of based on comfort. I personally put my pinky finger where the rough meets the smooth, and then where we want to make sure that we have both even on both sides. So once we have that, we're going to start our setup. Once we've got our 5 points of contact and our hand placement correct, on our setup, we're going to want to bring our shoulder blades down and try to bring them towards our butt. So you can see that that brings a little bit of tension throughout his body. And then we want to push through our legs. We want to push our feet into the floor, so we've got tension running through the legs too. Once we have that, we can unrack the bar by pushing straight up. We'll take a big inhale, and you can re-rack. So we're gonna try that again. We're gonna have our 5 points of contact, bring our shoulder blades down and back, and put tension through our feet. And then we're gonna unrack the bar. Then as we bring the bar down, we're gonna bring it down below the nipple line. So bring it down just a little lower. So if we look from above, we can see we want the angle between the arm and the body to be roughly 45 degrees, just like he has there. And then on the way up, we're gonna drive through our feet and push straight back up. Now do that a couple more times. And you can go ahead and rack the bar.